नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल। तो आज शहीदी दिवस के इस मौके पर देश हित में और यूथ के बेनिफिट में बात करने आया हूँ जी। देश हित में एंड यूथ के बेनिफिट में टू ऑनर द ग्रेट सैक्रिफाइसेस बाय द शहीद्स, द शहीद आजम, द ग्रेट भगत सिंह, and to continue and support the great vigor of Bhagwant Manji for supporting and development of the nation. So free initiatives to revolutionize education. We have been doing this for a long time, and this time another set of free initiatives कि हम देश में से बेरोजगारी हटा सके. So this is for the benefit of one and all. Please listen till the end. This is to honor our great people and to benefit our youth. So the revolution starts here. What are we announcing today? The most important topics. What do I mean by this most important topics? MCQs. So most important topics are those जिसमें एग्जाम्स में कोई सा भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम हो, यूपीएससी हो, पीपीएससी हो, एचसीएस, एचएएस, उसमें सवाल आना ही आना है. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे अगर मैं इकोनॉमिक्स की बात करूं तो इन्फ्लेशन से सवाल हर साल आता है. सो वी विल डू एमसीक्यूज ऑन दैट. देन फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं हिस्ट्री की बात करूं सो महात्मा गांधी जी पे सवाल हर साल आता है. देन what is expected this year, what is important this year, 1922 का NCM नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट important है कि नहीं, all those things would be covered via MCQs with a schedule totally free of cost on our channel with a subject wise schedule which is shared here. That on Tuesday economy with survey and budget, economic survey and budget आपको, then Thursday को science and technology, Saturday को polity and history, Sunday को environment and geography. Right? So MCQs would be shared over here. 5 questions would be shared for each of the days on a video. Then you will be given 5-10 seconds to solve them, and the solutions in details would be discussed along with any additional points in detail what we want about that topic. Right? So don't worry, it will be very beneficial. And for the remaining days of the week we will announce another free initiative. We want to revolutionize this education. So एक बार साथ में नारा लगाते हैं एजुकेशन को रेवोल्यूशनराइज करने के लिए, और वीडियोस को 6:30 बजे लाएंगे. ये ध्यान रखना, एक चीज मैं आई फॉरगॉट. सो 6:30 बजे एवरी डे ऑन दीज डेज, ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे को मैंने अनाउंस कर दिया है कि ट्यूसडे, थर्सडे, सैटरडे एंड संडे को क्या आने वाला है. देन बाकी डेज पे क्या होगा आई विल अनाउंस shortly. Right? So don't worry about that. These things would be very beneficial. We'll explain the answers, explain the questions, point out the important topics, and we'll be using the sources which generally the competitive exam makers or question paper setters use. So you don't need to worry about anything, no fees, nothing. You just keep on solving the MCQs with us, commenting your scores, and every day at 6:30 p.m. as I said, and totally free of cost. So एक बार साथ में नारा लगाते हैं, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद. We want to revolutionize education for the benefit of the youth. Support us in this initiative. It's totally free of cost. No charges, no hidden cost, nothing. Just for your support, all the aspirants keep on solving these MCQs. They would definitely be very helpful in the exam. So thank you so much for watching. Then next time मिलते हैं जी 6:30 p.m. Keep an eye on the channel, subscribe and like the videos, and share it with any aspirant for any competitive exam this year. Thank you so much again. See you in the video session.